I applaud you for taking a few minutes to learn about the options available to you in the mortgage market. Your willingness to make an investment of time, energy, and effort in finding out the options available to you will be surely rewarded because there's great opportunity to save tens of thousands of dollars over the lifetime of your mortgage. As you may have heard, interest rates have dropped. They're at all-time lows. Home purchases are up, and refinancing is up. But the question is, why is this happening? Why does this financial situation exist? First, of course, is the subprime meltdown, which started 2 years ago and had been like a nuclear bomb went off in the financial markets. Many people we've spoken to over the last couple of years have been concerned about taking action due to the fact that they are uncertain about their own employment and thus have not acted upon the market opportunity that's been presented. Home values drop, and most people decide that when they're confronted with an unpleasant reality like that, their falling value, they opt to do nothing. Frankly, that's the wrong thing for most folks. In fact, it can lock them into their house forever and truly limit their financial options going forward. Many people just say to themselves, you know what, I already have a low interest rate. Matter of fact, you may have an interest rate in the fives already. You've had your loan for a few years, so you're worried about refinancing. The question is, what's in the stimulus package and bailout for you? Really, what's the government done for you? The only thing they've done so far is bail out the big banks and insurance company, and really feel like they've left us holding the bag. Most people feel like they're getting nothing out of the stimulus. Matter of fact, people are losing jobs, losing their savings, losing their homes, and for the people who don't, they still lose equity in the homes that they have. They're not getting anything. So what do most people do? Well, they choose not to get a new 30-year mortgage. And frankly, that's a pretty good option because although you could save a little money by refinancing and possibly save $100 a month, there's really not a big savings in it. But there are ways you can save a lot. In fact, for many people, refinancing and moving to a shorter term, like a 15 or 20-year loan, can help you keep your monthly payment exactly the same, but pay your loan off years earlier, taking a big advantage of the existing interest rates. Imagine that if you could take some steps today, and you're somebody who has small kids, you would create the ability for you to pay for their college in cash and not have to fund college with the burden of a mortgage in your personal finances or take out student loans that might hamper your ability to retire. By doing this, you'll also create the opportunity to retire on your terms. Imagine if you were going to pay your mortgage off 10 years earlier than today. Think about how old you'll be when your current mortgage is paid off. For most people in their late 30s or early 40s, that's around 70 years old. But imagine you can retire 10 years earlier, mortgage-free. And that can happen if you take advantage of today's opportunity. However, that opportunity will not last forever. The fact is, if you look at the mortgage rates over the last 5 or 6 years, every time rates drop, they shoot back up. They slowly drop and shoot back up, slowly drop and shoot back up. Here we have another year where we've seen slowly dropping rates to all-time lows. It's time to take action. Call us today. Our team can run the numbers for you and see how much you can save. In fact, we're going to prepare this report for you specific to your situation. It'll highlight the options you have and how much money you can save by changing your term. It could be as much as 10 years or hundreds of thousands of dollars that you save by making this phone call. So call us today or visit us at www.paycoremortgage.com and turn around your family's financial fortunes by taking advantage of this opportunity.